welcome back to another Elmore Family adventure. This is a dad solo adventure. I am in Stafford, Texas, and I'm going to the Bedrock Comic Con. It's a little Comic Con, and they're here at the Stafford Center, and we're gonna go check it out, see what all we can find today. You know us, but ain't us, it's just me. I'm gonna buy a lot. Here we go. Bedrock City Comic Con.
So much. You have a great day.
So here we are, Bedrock City Comic Con. We're gonna go in and see what all is going on. Squirrel pool.
Well, that's what like just think about
One of the popcorn buckets. How you doing today?
So this is the funny thing, and I did meet
Oh, the lounge stuff.
not an extra wristband. So George was sitting in the bar.
It's been 97.
I thought he was going to go see
That's cool. $600. Huge thunder tank.
You get to go.
Fantastic.
You sure she doesn't put like foam inside of it? I can't see it to be able to tell, but the way it springs back, I would always say like she puts like a and that may be why it dries so fast because stuffing will hold the
Tell me your name again. Johnson. You have a universal brain? I can tell you that. Bring on the first. It will be in here. Not important.
Place is packed today.
In the middle, in a pile. It's not even like even.
It is packed in here.
The bottom layer. Yeah.
It's cool, huh? That Wolverine up there. Okay, give me 1 second, Mom. Hold that so I can take care of that box. Okay, tell me, get your box. Thank you. Yes, you're welcome.
Can't sell it if you're on your phone. How you doing? Good. Good. Y'all doing all right? Yeah? Yeah. It's packed in here today.
It's a lot of fun. Yeah, it's definitely. Yeah.
That's the first time I've been to this one. So.
Last year.
They're good. They're good. Everything in here.
Have a good one. A few more boxes underneath you can take a look at.
Okay.
Come back.
All right. Some dollar comics.
Where's this shirt from?
You got the Barbie.
Page on Instagram. Okay. Is it like a...
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Weirdos and like militia guys talk about, oh, I got my gun, I got my this. And I'm like, dude, you don't know anything.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Such a cool
You're right. I agree. Broke your nose and everything.
There you go. Do you guys need anything though?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
What's
Thank
up,
you so
man?
In the
much.
box.
What's up, Kika?
What's up? You doing all right?
Oh, yeah.
I'm doing good.
You good?
Good, good.
We got it going on.
20 out.
That's what's wrong with that.
Some jackets. Oh, look at that. Well, no, I think.
I mean, Domino is fine. Nothing.
Oh, we got the little vending machine.
Welcome.
Oh, yeah, they have it. Hey, what is something?
Hey, how you doing?
Day last year?
Yeah, it's I don't normally the Mexican.
Oh, yeah.
Wonder Bros.
Oh, these ain't first.
So we're here at DM Double Comics. Look at these. Of course, I bought the whole set. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, so that's a wrap from Bedrock City Comic Con, or Bedrock City Con, here in Stafford. I'll show you what all I got when I get out to the truck, but we're gonna walk on out of here and see what else we can do. So this place has been real busy today. Spent a couple hours in there just trying to make it around. Got some video film footage, then went back, did some shopping. Just busy in there. This is like a classic Comic Con. It's about the comics. And it's awesome. They also has a bunch of comic book artists and stuff in there signing, which I didn't get in those lines. Jim Lee is here, and that line was out though, right after round. So, but awesome time. We're gonna get back to the truck, and I'll show you all the goodies that I got, and then we'll wrap it up. All right, made it back to the truck. I'm gonna show you the first things I got. I got for Aubrey. We got Skywarp from the Transformers the movie, and then we got my favorite. Oh, don't drop it. We got Hound. Look at that. It's from the movie, the old movie, not the new one that just came out. And then also, all right, put these back. All right, for Anna, I think she already has it, but it is a 3-pack of DC Universe, the Flash, Green Lantern, and Hawkman, which is like Justice Society. So it's hard to see with the glare. There we go. But I also found, where's he at? A Booster Gold for her from Justice League Unlimited. So, all right. Also got myself a shirt. It's got me and Mama on it. It's got Gambit and Rogue. And then you can't go to a comic book convention without getting comic books. So, of course, I got my favorite. This is they had $1. There's a couple dollar places, and I found me some G.I. Joes for $1. I got me 5 of those. And then also, there was a guy from DM Double Comics, and this is their first book, and it tells 4 stories And then each story leads into number 2. Brand X, that one's called Old Glory. Arc, it's called the Arc, and then this is Power Core. But yeah, he is out of Austin, Texas. And anyway, I like buying from original people. Just, I don't know, I like supporting them, and hopefully their comics take off. So I'm gonna get home, and I read them, so I'm gonna get home and read these before I put them up. So alright, so this is Solo Adventure with Daddy for Elmore Family Adventures. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tell me about some other events that Daddy can go solo on, because Daddy spent a little money. But also make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, follow us on YouTube, which this is where this is at, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to watch our TikToks. Anna's doing a great job with that. So we will see y'all later. Bye.